Hello friends and welcome back. In this Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial, we are going to make a crow animation with realistic flapping wings effect using the flash once, motion path, and spin animations. The animation is inspired by KeDar Ambatkar at dribble.com. Even though our animation is not exactly the same as we have not animated the crow's mouth, but still you might learn a few new PowerPoint animation techniques through this tutorial. Let's first take a look into the animation design by opening the selection pane from the Home tab. Here you can see a long list of shape objects that we used in this presentation, but only 5 of them are important to know about, which are crow body, legs, head, left, and right wings. The rest are the 20 more different poses of left and right wings. We used all these poses to create a realistic flapping wings effect. Now, if we open the animation pane, then you can see that we applied a total of 6 effects on those 5 shape objects. Over crow's body, head, and legs we used the up motion path with a very short length to create an up and down movement. The time duration is 1 second for all the 3 motion path effects, and we are also applying start and end smoothness of half a second with auto reverse and repeating this effect until the end of the slide. As we have skipped the crow's mouth animation, you can also group these 3 objects to make them as a single object and then apply the motion path just once. Keep in mind that these 3 objects are between the left and right wings of the crow, as you can see in the selection pane. Then we applied the spin effect to the crow head, or you can also call it crown or crest. We applied a very short duration of 0.15 seconds with auto reverse and repeated this effect until the end of the slide. Then comes the main attraction of this animation, which is the flapping wings of the crow. We are using the flash once animation effect on all the 21 different left and right wings. We used the Shape Tool's freeform shape to draw the crow in all the different wing poses. You can watch our tutorial on how to get and use the flash once animation effect if you are using a later version of PowerPoint than 2007, as you will not find this effect in the animations list. You can note that we are using a delay timing of 0.10 seconds between each of the poses. As there are a total of 21 poses for both left and right wing, we are using a time duration of 2.10 seconds and repeating this effect until the end of the slide. So, when you run the slideshow, then each pose remains visible only for 0.10 seconds and shows itself again after 2 seconds. While creating 2D animations, if you show a lot of poses of a single object within a very short duration, then they appear as a continuous movement and create a running animation. The only time-consuming part in this animation was drawing the wings and applying the flash once effect on each of them with different delay timings. We had published a tutorial on landscape parallax animation, where you can see moving clouds and mountains. You can also use this presentation and can place these mountains and clouds behind the crow. The download links to the flash once and landscape parallax effect are given in the video description. You can then delete the toy train and the track on top and copy all the mountains and clouds and then paste those objects into the crow presentation. Send all of them back. As the crow is flying to the left and the mountains and the clouds are moving to the right. So to make the scene right in sequence, select the clouds and mountains motion path effects from the animation pane, and from the effect options drop-down menu choose reverse path direction, and there you have a nice crow animation with realistic flapping wings. I hope you will find this tutorial interesting and informative. Show us your love by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and we will soon meet in our next tutorial.